Hey folks, Dr. D here. So today we're going to be replacing the hood release BellCrank on a 97 Jeep Cherokee. So mine was very rusty, and I was worried that if I didn't deal with it relatively soon, that I would be stuck with the Jeep that I could not open the hood on. So what we're going to do here today is remove it and then replace the rivets with Rivnuts, so that if I ever need to work on it again, it will be much easier to do so. Hey folks, Dr. D here. Today we're going to be reinstalling the hood latch assembly that we took off yesterday. I've been prepping that up and making it a little bit less of a mess. So we need to drill these holes here, clean them up a little bit, make sure that I have rib nuts that can go in there. We will try our new rib nut installation machine. That'll be a first for me, so we'll see how that goes, and we'll pick it up from there. Okay folks, so what I have here is a new rib nut installer. Picked it up off of Amazon. It was relatively inexpensive. The smallest rivets I'm seeing here are the M6, so we need to drill out what we have so that these will fit in. So let me go do that, and also make sure that I actually have bolts to fit. Okay folks, Dr. D here, I'm back. I'm going to show you how the rib nut works. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a rib nut right in here. Here is the tool. It's just a tool. This is the M6 size rib nut. The way you do it is you screw it onto the top of this little piece here. What you want to do is you want to make sure that when it's already extended, all the way extended like this, the little bit of the screw just hops out of, just chips out of the front there. And what you do is you're going to put this in the hole, boop, and you're going to pull these levers down. That's going to cause this little area here that's sort of serrated looking or corrugated will compress. So this will form the bead on the outside, this will compress on the inside, and that's how it works. So you put it in, crank down, and then there's a little knob here. So you tighten this. What that does is it obviously just pulls this screw back down so you get more leverage. So enough talking, I'm just going to do it, and we'll do the thing. All right, so we're in the hole. We're going to push this down, clamp it in, we're going to release it, we're going to tighten this screw here, out, and we're going to do this again, we're going to loosen this out again, tighten up our screw a little bit more. After the third one, you're pretty much seated. Do it one more time. And there we are, folks. We have 2 new rib nuts. Okay, we're back just for a trial. I'm trying to screw these guys in, see how that works. Perfect. So, you know how this works. I'm just waiting on the paint to dry. on the actual mechanism, and so then instead of rivets we have rivnuts, so whenever I need to replace this or repair it, it's an easy unbolting instead of a hour-long. Hey folks, Dr. D here, we're back. So I have reconnected the mechanism to the line from the hood release latch in the car. That's what this wire is here. It goes back there, you pull this thing. This pulls this thing down, causes this to slide, and I reconnected it up to this bar, whatever this thing's called, over here. And so our last step here is just to reassemble it. I sprayed a little bit of primer on this just because I didn't want it to rust. I'll come back to it at some point and clean it up and make it look pretty, but that's for another day. So let's see how our rib nuts worked. My hole's a little bigger, but oh well. Okay folks, so that's our final product. Snap this in place. I just put that in there, popped it around, sort of like when you're doing a drum break. Okay, so there it is. Now I'm gonna go hop in the car. I'm gonna put this down, and I'm gonna hop in the car, and I'm going to try the mechanism. Just this here. Lithium grease. Okay folks, thanks for watching, and see you next time.